Hey guys, my name is Travis and I'm a Core Colour Ambassador. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about these new and exciting kits we've got using our Clean Colour liquids. What we're going to be touching on is basically coming up with these practical kits that you can take into the salon. They've got two different results, one being a Cool Me Down, one being a more natural. Now with our Cool Me Down, it has 5.8, 671, 96 activators and our shine shots. With our natural range, it contains level 6, level 8, 913 activators, brushes, and our famous shine shots again. I'm going to be showing you all the different techniques and that way we can use it, and I just can't wait for you guys to see. We have our lovely model Eloise already to have our Cool Me Down kit being used on her today. Like I said, we're going through our colours. So we have our 5.8, which is in our Pearl range, level 5, and 6.71, which is a Cool Brunette. I've done equal parts of those two colours, and I'm going to be creating a root stretch for her through that. Through our ends, we are using the 9.6, and I have added, if you guys will already have it in the salon, and if you don't, you can always ask for it. With our clear, with a half-to-half mixing ratio. These colours process for about 15 minutes. After that sort of time, you rinse it all off and you do our shine shot. It's going to look absolutely beautiful, so I can't wait for you to see. So as you can see, it's a beautiful sort of mix that we've got through here. I am using our wider paintbrush that is going to be coming in the kit also. What we want to basically be doing is just be taking it like a rebirth application. But it's about this, it helps with the liquid colour being able to ease throughout the hair really beautifully and easy. As for applying, we want to be taking strokes heavier towards the ear, lighter around the front of the face. That way we're creating some sort of depth around the ears while we're leaving that perimeter frame. After that, we're going to be using our 9.6 and I'm going to go in and use it with our applicator bottle. The applicator bottle makes it very easy for you to apply all the bits at the end, really quickly, very easy. And also that way you get the toner on, get the gloss in there, and it's looking absolutely beautiful. Just making sure we go all the way down. So as we're working through the back section, we want to be making sure that we're keeping all the depth in this area. So I'm doing more of a heavy saturation through here, and I'm using my end of my brush to help this section out. As you can see, the consistency of the liquid, it just feathers really nicely through the hair. But it is really important to make sure that we are applying a liberal amount of colour. But then as we're working on our way down, we're getting lighter and lighter as we reach this hairline, as we don't want heaviness through here. As you guys are working through the front, just like the back section, our heavy saturation is all the way through here. As we get closer and closer to that hairline, I'm only going to be touching that color and just gently feathering it throughout. You want to make sure that you're keeping that whole entire halo really nice and light. That way we can see the depth and then we can see the pop come through. So now I've applied all of our root smudge through here. As you can see, I've left that hairline and I'm just very faintly touching it. Get our comb, give it a little bit of a comb all the way through. Don't worry about the color dragging down too much. With the Clean Color technology with the liquid, it's going to be very easy for you to smudge it without giving excess transfer to other places. Now we're going to be heading to our ends. Now what I love about this with the applicator, it's super easy. Anyone's able to do it. Straight on the palm of your hands, laying your hand flat and going in there. And we're going to be applying it all the way through, milking it through. Leave it for 15 minutes and it should be about done. So as you can see, using our beautiful 9.6 liquid, you can already see how much warmth that's knocked off the ends while still keeping this beautiful, nice blend. What I'm going to continue doing is working our way all the way through the back. You can already see that beautiful consistency, the depth that's coming through, but it's also keeping that shine and polish. So just mimicking what we've been doing right at the front, going right in, applying to the ends, and going on through. So guys, I finished my application. Just a quick recap on that is our 5.8 and 671 equal parts on our regrowth area. I've done a good smudge through there, heavy saturation working our way into the crown, lighter saturation throughout our hairline. Through our ends is our 9.6 with clear mix, all the way through from mids and ends. That way you can see it's going to give a piece of gloss and shine. Once I've done that, I'm going to get my comb, work it through. Don't be afraid to let the colour blend together as we're using a low saturation through here and a higher through the ends. Once we've done that, we can process for about 15 minutes, rinse and style.